Good morning, children. Today you have English text. So take out your English textbook. Yes, one thing I want to say to you all. In next week, most probably, I am going to take one small revision test. Just like previous in last month I have taken 20 marks small revision test. So you have to revise for that page number 16, 17 and 18. Whatever questions I have given from page 16, 17, 18, I am going to revise that. And the poem I taught that poem. Once I saw what was that poem? Once I saw a little bird. Page number 16, 17, 18, all the questions answered from these 3 pages I am going to revise. And one more thing, once I saw a little bird, you have one small poem. You have to learn at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 line. 5 line poem, once I saw a little bird. I can give like filling the blanks. Okay. And page number 16, 17, 18, whatever questions I have given from these 3 pages, just now I am going to revise. So go through poem and question answers for your revision test. Okay. So page number 16. I have a pen. This is an ant. Bobby is a big boy. Bobby is a big boy. And my question was, who is Bobby? No, I gave questions. Who is Bobby? The answer is, Bobby is a big boy. Bobby is a big boy. Next question, what is the color of the boat? What is the color of the boat? The color, you can write the color of the boat is blue, or you can write the boat is blue. It's a short answer, you can write easily. The boat is blue. Next, the cat is in the car. And I gave questions, where is the cat? Where is the cat? The answer would be, the cat is in the car. The cat is in the car. Now, turn page 17. What is there? The dog is playing with a drum. The dog is playing with a drum. And my question was, I gave questions, who is playing with a drum? No? Who is playing with a drum? The dog is playing with a drum. The dog is playing with a drum. And next questions. Ekta likes to eat eggs. Yes, one of the girls' picture is given here. The name of the girl is Ekta. And Ekta is eating egg. It means she likes to eat egg. Now my question was, what does Ekta like to do? What does Ekta like to do? And answer would be, Ekta likes to eat eggs. Ekta likes to eat eggs. And next questions, I have not given Eric has a toy engine. You can add one more questions. What does Eric has? What does Eric has? What does Eric has? Eric has a toy engine. You add these questions. What does Eric has? Eric is a boy. Where is Eric? Eric is a boy. What does Eric has? Eric has a toy engine. Eric has a toy engine. And next questions, page number, can a fish fly? It's already question given. And everybody knows fish cannot fly. And 5 boys have 4 bats. Picture is given there. But no need, I have not given any questions from these pages, these lines. Now turn page number 18. What is there? The girls are going to play a game. The girls are going to play a game. And I have given the questions what are the girls going to do? What are the girls going to do? And answer would be the girls are going to play a game. The girls are going to play a game. The girls are going to play a game. And my next question is here the sentences, some few sentences are given here. The house is on the hill. The house is on the hill. And my question was, where is the house? Answer would be, the house is on the hill. The house is on the hill. And next line, Hema wears a hat. Hema wears a hat. And answer would be, Hema wears a, who, my question would be, I have given the questions, who wears a hat? Who wears a hat? Answer would be, Hema wears a hat. Hema wears a hat. And no more questions. So just go through all the questions, page 16, 17 and 18. And once again I'm going to read out all the questions. Yes. What is the color of the boat? What is the color of the boat? The boat is blue. What is the where is the cat? The cat is in the car. The cat is in the car. The next question, who is Bobby? Third question, who is Bobby? Bobby is a big boy. Next, who is playing with a drum? The dog is playing with a drum. Next questions, what does Ekta like to do? Ekta likes to eat egg. Ekta likes to eat egg. One more question I want to give just now, because in my previous class I didn't give, but now I want to give. This is also important questions. What does Eric has? What does Eric has? Eric has a toy engine. Eric has a toy engine. Next question, what are the girls going to do? The answer would be, the girls are going to play a game. The girls are going to play a game. Next questions, where is the house? Where is the house? Answer would be, the house is on the hill. The house is on the hill. The house is on the hill. One more questions, who wears a hat? Who wears a hat? Answer is, Hema wears a hat. Hema wears a hat. Only learn the answer from the page 16, 17 and 18. No more from 16, 17 or 18. And once I saw a little that poem, 5 lines. At least try to learn 5 lines. What is there? Once I saw a little bird. Yes. Once I saw a little bird, you have to learn the once spelling and little, because okay, it doesn't matter, I will send this poem through the snapshot options. Okay, so once spelling try to learn, and little, what a dash, I saw a dash bird, you have to write once and little. Come, dash, hop, hop, you have to write HOP, hop. So I dash little bird, means you have to learn cried, CRIED, cried. Will you dash, stop, stop, that means you have to write the stop. And next line, number 5, I went to the window, I dashed to the dash, that means you have to learn went spelling and window also. So learn all the words, very simple. It's just a revision test I will take, whether you can write or not, you have learned or not, this is very important. So don't be afraid, it's a revision test. You will get the questions from the snapshot option, and in front of your parents you write in the loose sheet. and keep it nicely. Whenever school will open, I will collect all the papers, okay? And after writing, whatever problem you are facing, you can ask your parents, okay? So that's all for today. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.